Oahu real estate market update for June 2024. In this video, I'll discuss the latest stats for the Oahu real estate market. Welcome back to Living in Honolulu, Hawaii. If you're new here, my name's Duke. I'm a real estate broker based in Honolulu, and on this channel we explore real estate tips and strategies to help you make better decisions about buying, selling, or investing. First, I'll cover the market stats for single-family homes and condos. Then, I'll share the local market info for each neighborhood. Before we dive in, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. If you have any questions about real estate, reach out to me. My contact info is in the description below. Stick around to the end when I'll share a tip on getting started with investing in Hawaii real estate. For single-family homes, closed sales year-to-date were 1,104 homes sold, a 7% increase from 2023. For condos, closed sales are down 1% to 1,879 homes sold compared to last year. Despite being down, condo sales have been on an uptrend since January. The single-family home median sales price in May was $1 million, which is a 2% increase compared to 2023. Condos are at $505,000, a 1% increase from last year. Single-family homes are now spending a median of 21 days on the market, 22% lower than last year, while condos are spending a median of 30 days, which is 30% higher than last year. New listings are currently at 1,565 single-family homes this month, which is a 12% increase compared to last year. For condos, new listings are now 3,075 condos this month, which is a 17% increase from last year. New listings for both single-family homes and condos have been increasing since December. For single-family homes, pending sales rose to 1,298 homes, 2% higher than last year. On the condo side, pending sales are at 2,070 homes in escrow, which is 4% lower than last year. Months of inventory for single-family homes has increased to 2.9 months, 32% higher than last year. Condo months of inventory also increased to 4.4 months, 69% higher than last year. Overall, supply appears to be on an uptrend. The number of active listings for single-family homes is now at 640 homes, an 18% increase year-on-year. For condos, active listings increased to 1,651, a 48% increase year-on-year. Single-family homes' active inventory has been increasing since December. The percentage of list price received is now 98% for both single-family homes and condos. Single-family home sales were highest in the $1 million to $1.5 million price range, making up 36% of total closed sales. 100% of single-family home sales received full list price or more. Condos between $300,000 and $400,000 accounted for 19% of sales, which was the highest share of any price bracket. 98% of condos sold at list price or higher, which is less than 1% lower than last year. Overall, prices remained stable year over year, while pending sales and new listings saw a slight decrease compared to last month. Now, let's look at the numbers for each neighborhood on Oahu year to date. Aina Haina-Kuliouou single-family home median price is now $2 million and is based on 32 closed sales. Days on market are now 29. For Moana Kakaako, most of the inventory consists of condos. The median condo price is now $730,000, which is a 14% increase compared to last year. Days on market are 53 days. For downtown Nuuanu, the median single-family home price is now $1.2 million. Days on market are 32 days. Condo prices are now $590,000 and days on market are 19. For the Ewa Plain, the single-family home median price is now at $878,000. Days on market are 29. For condos, prices are now $675,000, 2% higher than last year. Days on market are 24. For Hawaii, single-family home prices increased to $1.7 million, which is 16% higher than last year. Days on market are 21 days. For condos, prices have decreased by 9% compared to last year, which is at $750,000 and 13 days on market. For Kailua, Waimanalo, single-family home median price is now $1.8 million, and days on market are 13. For condos, the median price is now $790,000, and days on market are 17 days. In Kalihi, Palama, single-family home prices are now $910,000, 7% higher than last year. Days on the market are 21 days. On the condo side, median price is at $390,000 and days on market are 44. For Kaneohe, the single-family home median price is now $1.1 million, and days on market are 13. For condos, the median price is now $740,000, and days on market are 22. For Kapahulu Diamond Head, the median single-family home price is $1.4 million, and days on market are 16. For condos, the median price has decreased to $600,000, and days on market are 9. For Makaha, Nanakuli, the median single-family home price is $660,000, and days on market are 34 days. Condo median price increased to $240,000, and days on market are 41 days. For Makakilo, the median single-family home price is $930,000, 5% lower than last year. Days on market are 35 days. For condos, the median price is $560,000, and days on market are 25 days. For Makiki, Moiliili, the median single-family home price is $1.5 million, and days on market are 16. For condos, the median price is at $400,000, and days on market are 40. The Mililani median single-family home price is now $1.07 million. Days on market are 20 days. For condos, median price is at $517,000, and days on market are 21 days. The Moanalua Salt Lake median single-family home price increased to $1.2 million, which is 17% higher than last year, while days on market are 17 days. For condos, the median price is now $440,000, and days on market are 39. For the North Shore, the median single-family home price increased to $1.8 million, which is 34% higher than last year. Days on market are 20 days. For condos, the median price is $1 million, and days on market are 11 days. For Pro City Aiea, the median single-family home price is now $1 million, 9% higher than last year. Days on market are 15 days. For condos, the median price is $460,000, and days on market are 27. For Wahiawa, the median single-family home price is $828,000, and days on market are 17. For condos, the median price increased to $350,000, which is 5% higher than last year, and days on market are 12. The Waialae Kahala median single-family home price is $2.4 million. Days on market are 44. For condos, the median price is $585,000, and days on market are 49 days. For Waikiki condos, the median price is now $430,000. Days on market are 35 days. For Waipahu, the median single-family home price is $950,000, and days on market are 31. Condo, the median price is $520,000, and days on market are 15. For the Windward Post, the median single-family home price is $914,000, 21% lower than last year. Days on market are 80 days. For condo, the median price is $465,000, which is a 210% increase compared to last year, and days on market are 9 days. Freddie Mac just dropped a bombshell. We're 1.5 million homes short in the US market. We're talking 760,000 missing for-sale homes and another 760,000 rentals. The nationwide housing shortage. Sure, real estate hyper-local, but this deficit looks like rocket fuel for long-term appreciation. What they mean for you? Opportunities knocking. Whether you're eyeing your dream home or building a rental empire, the numbers are on your side. Time to act fast and crush those deals. Let's turn this shortage into your personal gold mine. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Alright guys, that's it for this month's market update. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, click the subscribe button, and the notification bell next to that. If you're ready to take your next step to making Oahu your home, reach out. Thank you so much for watching.